Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to log out of Discord on PC. So first, here we are in the Discord app. What are we going to do here is we're going to go to user settings. In the user settings, we have to swipe down until we see the red section. So this is our button to log out. Once we click it, we will be asked again if we really want to log out of our account. And right here, we're just going to press the red button, which is log out. And as you guys can see, we have to just log back in. So we successfully logged out of our Discord account on PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.